I don't want to look like a boy. All right, we can do this. No, I don't want to do it. Oh, y'all see this? Do you see her?
Oh, this is stressful.
This is Christy Conde here for you guys that are new and for you guys that have been here. We not looking crusty anymore. We're not looking crusty anymore. Because why did they leave the bag open? Sasha has arrived. We're taking out my hair today. We're gonna wash it today. We're gonna calm down on the goddamn hair. I just took it out, alright? Don't flip it. Don't do that. We about to torture together. I bought this and tried it out and I said never again. Wasted my money because I don't like this. So let's put, looking like a little fiend, but it's okay. Ooh, this is making me even more nervous. I don't want to do this. Ooh, I'm about to cry, guys. I'm about to cry. Let me cry. I don't want to look like a boy. All right, we can do this. No, I don't want to do it. Oh. Why did I do that? But now I look patchy. Oh gosh, okay. The things girls do, like we're just a girl. I dead cut myself. This drink is dangerous. I'll never use this. Hey girl, we got Sasha in the building. Sasha herself. We got some goodies. We got a robe, y'all. See all this wahala? We're tackling it. Sasha just needs to be a little attentive because this is too light. Honestly, music will help me work faster. Got me going like, oh, baby, baby.
It's easier to calculate deductions. Communication assistant in the world. Millions.
Earn points toward your next trip and get closer to new True Blue perks.
It was something I seen, it was more than you being a freak. But you gon' eat. I ain't gotta search cause you got it. The small things, not peep, this shit here with peep.
Tell me how I'm going to make my wig, right? I have no dye, and then I remembered that I need my pencil. I need a pencil so I'm able to do the style I'm trying to do. I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm at the beauty supply store. Get this and pencil and dark brown or espresso. We got these lashes. I go? Yeah, that was you. That was you violating. Where did I go? This is why I be seeing the girly though. Yeah, definitely very light. Cause I never did it before, and I just want to know how I look with it.
At least myself, I line my eyebrows with concealer. Everything else comes afterwards, to be honest, because brows is really the hardest and the longest part.
But here's what happened. Tell me how I was shaving my brow, right? But I feel like the only ones I would really find is like.
Concealer, you blend it into your foundation. Does that make sense?
Yeah, okay. I just didn't know the step.
Make sure it's all spread out.
With this one.
Very light.
Joy. It's like I gotta hold my breath. That's it. That's all. Y'all see this?
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Next is the blush.
Start really light and see how you feel. And then you have to blend it out. Because you just want it on your cheek. You don't want it anywhere else.
This is cute, small, and pink. I'm so annoying.
Oh, I see. This looks nice on you.
It too. Why am I this happy? Oh my god, this looks so good, Joy. Oh my gosh. Let me add just a little bit more on this side.
Just swipe it under your under eye. Because you want it to sit.
I don't know. I'm a pat girly, Joy. I'm so tempted to pat.
So yeah, like kind of, when I do it, I go like that. Waterline too.
I don't normally do those. So now it's my lashes, right? Right. I'm a simple girl. I'm just a simple girl. I look like a freaking Bratz doll. But I really just did this style because my lace wasn't sitting upright.
I'm dead ass gonna start charging people. Girl, I feel like it's so nice. Like it's just such girlhood. Like you want your friends and your sisters to like feel good when they do their makeup. Like that's such a feel good moment. That's priceless. Yup. Cause then when you bop, that's when you're gonna mix the liner and the paint. Yes, yeah, that color suits you. I know the madness to the magic was not madnessing and it wasn't magicking and it was confusing. Yes, I'm telling you, I would never lead you astray. I will never leave you astray.
Yeah. I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm done changing. And this is how it looks. Let's hear my mom's reaction. I look like a grown woman.
You're a damn grown woman. 35 is a damn grown woman.
Sasha needs to be tinted one more time. But you guys, I just got here. I'm about to head on inside. And why my mom think I'm going on a date? Like, no ma'am. This is all just for me, boo. Love yourself, boo. Love yourself. This is cute. They having a whole sweet 16 upstairs. My girl turned 16. Happy birthday. For my mother. For my mother. I'm here alone. My sweet. This is for me. Like, it's cranberry juice, okay? But guys, look at this. This is like so. This bartender gave me this cranberry juice for free. I just had a moment. we're going out. Me and Joy, we're going out to the city today. So right now I'm at Joy's house. I'm about to go get ready. I'm probably gonna cut you guys more on the way because I'm getting cut short on time. So we gotta. Hey guys. So right now I'm waiting on Joy, and Joy is the reason why we're late. Look who finally decided to come out. Look at her.
Are you vlogging?
Do you see her? Hey y'all. So we're back, and I parked terrible. Okay, let's just say that. So we were gonna make this whole food festival thing real quick and snappy.
Food coming soon.
Food coming soon.
I hate it here.
Joy decided to go to Sweet Chick. If the girlies know about this, then y'all know. I don't know. We got chicken tenders and waffles. We kept it real cute and basic. But,
This is stressful. Okay.
so let me taste this chicken. Hold on. New York. Y'all, we are almost there. That chicken and waffles was so good. I was starving. Thanks, Joy. Y'all, I want to be cute so bad. Now look at me, freezing. Damn. Why did I think it was right here? I'm so discombobulated right now. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, we got him. I'm good. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. We are heading into Pancake Factory. Joy's Food Snack. Would you like to say what it is?
It's canola French toast, and I'm going to eat it.
I just ended up getting a little bit of everything because I couldn't decide. Oh, we should burn. We gotta get into that. Go ahead. Family product, please bless this food. We can make the bird. And we say amen.
If you would like you want the trail catch as well? How does everything look? Good. Do we need anything else?
So far, so good. Thank you.
I asked for chocolate chip, he gave me blueberry. And when I asked for orange juice, he gave me apple. I'm grateful. Alrighty, guys. So we're here with Joy. First, let's touch base on that food that we just ate. For me, first time being there, the eggs was good. The sausage was banging. It's just that whole mishap with my order. And now let's just really talk about what happened
Jesus is
as of yesterday.
Yesterday, so we didn't make it to the festival because it closed at 6. Okay, so then we had to walk all the way to, it wasn't that far, it's like maybe a 5-minute walk. We had to walk to this place called Sweet Chick, and it's good, don't get me wrong.
That Sweet Chick saved the day because we was both hungry.
Because we didn't eat breakfast or anything.
We just came from dumb far. And driving even to the festival was wahala.
That was crazy.
The city always pisses me off when I drive. Like, it just never fails.
Language.
But yesterday, pisses is a bad word.
Yes.
It is. But this is not a kid's channel. I've came to agreement. I be having drinks. I be drinking. I be partying. This for the girls. This is a girls channel.
Period.
We was driving, right? Even though normally
English is not English and cut. Then we got to the painting pour. That was good, but I just felt like we were kind of being rushed because we got there like right at 8, and then when we went in, Tina forgot her ID, and then there was as far as she could find. So then we kind of parked like farther than we expected, so she had to walk all the way back. I went downstairs. I had trouble finding seats. It was crazy, and then eventually I found seats, and they got started, and I was like, oh my god, Tina's not here yet. She's still walking. So I'm calling.
suffering.
I was like,
Mind you, y'all saw the outfit I was in? Brick. I don't know who told me. I don't know who told me to do all that. So the place was nice. The paint pour was nice. Like she said, we did feel rushed. There was this thing he did. He was like, he would say twin, and then they would be like, where have you been? Every time he said that, anxiety went up for me. But yeah, y'all, I'm just like.
so yeah, but the painting was still fun though. So that was nice. And then I would give it like that portion maybe a 7 out of 10. Because the painting was actually really fun. It was just little instances that were kind of like...
You would just see Joy head peek over and be like, bro, how is yours looking? Is you okay?
Crazy.
She didn't even take hers with. I took mine because that was my first experience for that. And I honestly did like it. I like the vibes and stuff. It's just like it was the main thing for me was that we definitely did feel rushed. The way they kicked us out though, I'm gonna speak on that. Don't be doing people like that. The instructor was nice about it, but then there's this other guy that came in and he was basically like, yeah, you guys basically gotta go. That's basically what he said.
But you know, sometimes it kind of reminded me of the parties where people linger. So I was like, maybe that's the reason why, because people do linger.
Rate the group 1 through 10. The group was in. Yeah, our whole group.
I think I would rate it a 6.
Really? I was gonna give it a 7.
Because I feel like it was calm. It's just like, it wasn't as interactive as other places we've been to. Like,
yeah.
To the brunch, it was very interactive. But this one was kind of like...
I never told them about the brunch.
That's a conversation for another day.
No, yeah, but like, due to the places that we've been to before, for us, the group, the environment there, I'll give it a 7. She gives it a 6. Yeah, the whole entire day in itself, I'm giving it a 6.5.
Yeah, mine's a 6.
I'm giving mine a calm 6.5. Because now that we actually recapped and just thought about everything, I'm just like, there was more so inconveniences than there was enjoyment. We be doing it big, you know, we be having a good time. Like, but yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what happened though. So it's like, yeah, that's where we're ending this lovely time. We got our to-goes, and we're about to, it's Sunday, so it's giving a reset, re-get it together, re everything. So, yeah. Yeah, y'all.
Catch you guys on the flip side.
We'll catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters!